Okay, so now we are going to discuss this question. 1 to 4 x square minus 1 dx integrate as limit of sums. So here first step will be, you will just write down the formula. So when you write the formula, you will write, we know that a to b fx dx can be written as limit of h tending to 0, h outside, f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h dot 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 till f of a plus n minus 1 into h, where b minus a upon n is equal to h. So as per this question, now your A stands for 1 and your B stands for 4. So here A is 1 and B is 4. So when we put the values over here, it will become 4 minus 1 upon n, that is equal to h. So we can write nh is equal to 3. Call it as number 1. We will use this later on. Okay, so here for this question, your function is x square minus x. So that we had written x square minus x. So now we will find all the iterations individually. So f of a. So f of a means f applied to 1 because a is 1. So when I put over here, it will become 1 plus square minus 1 plus square. So that is simply 0. Next iteration will be f of a plus h. That is f of 1 plus h. So now this is playing the role of x, 1 plus h. So I am putting over here. So यहाँ आ जाएगा 1 plus h minus 1 plus h. Now let us do further calculation. When you do calculation, this is what you will get. Be very careful with this minus sign. When you take this minus sign inside this bracket, then it will become minus 1 minus h. This is a common error. So this is what we can write. Now solve it. So it is h ka square plus h. Now let us find out the next iteration. F of a plus 2h. So this is f of 1 plus 2h. That can be written as 1 plus 2h minus 1 plus 2h. So let us do further calculation in this. So when you do calculation, it will be equal to 1 plus 4h plus square plus 4h minus 1 minus 2h, which can be written as 4h plus square plus 2h. Now let us find out the last iteration straight away. Last iteration will be f of 1 plus n minus 1 into h. Now this whole thing is playing the role of x. ये पूरी जो quantity ये role play कर रही है x का. Let us substitute over here. So when you substitute, this is what you will get. This is what you will get. So after calculations, and I had told you never open this bracket n minus 1 into h. Don't expand this further. So after calculations, you will get this as 2h n minus 1 plus square. This is what you will get, h plus square into n minus 1 plus square plus n minus 1 into h. So after calculations, this is what you will get. Okay, now let us add them all. Let us consider f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. So now here again we will try to make series. So if you observe the nature of these iterations, you can see that everywhere you are getting two terms. So you will get two series here. One will be the series of h square. This is h square, this is 4h ka square, next will be 9h ka square and dot 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 till this. So if I take h square common, this will become 1 ka square, 2 ka square plus 3 ka square dot 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 till n minus 1 ka square. This is how I can write h ka square outside, 1 ka square, 2 ka square dot 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 till n minus 1 ka square plus. Now the next series will be of this h, 2h, 3h dot 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 till n minus 1 into h. So here again you will take this h common and you can write the series in this form. After this, we will apply those formulas which we had written. So we need to apply formula number 1 and 2. When you apply those formulas, we can rewrite this as n minus 1, 2n minus 1 divided by 6 plus n minus 1 divided by 2. So because of formula number 1 and 2. So now finally you will write your integral 1 to 4 x square minus x dx will be equal to limit of h tending to 0, h outside. So in place of these iterations, addition of all the iterations, when we substitute the values in this expression, here we will substitute. So it will become limit of h tending to 0, h. And for this whole bracket, I can write this expression. So this will be equal to h ka square n minus 1, 2n minus 1 divided by 6. And this will be nh n minus 1 upon 2. This is how we can write. Now, after this, you will take this h inside the bracket, so you will get h ka cube. Now, as I had told you earlier, the number of brackets, the number of h you will get. So you will put one h in one bracket. So we can write this in this form, limit of h tending to 0. This will become nh minus h, 2nh minus h divided by 6. Here also, this h when you multiply, it will become h square. So one already we have. Now another you can take inside this bracket. So nh minus h upon 2. We are writing this because we want to utilize this fact that nh is equal to 3. So now let us substitute the value and do further calculations. So this will be 3 minus h, 6 minus h upon 6, limit of h tending to 0, plus 3 minus h upon 2. So finally you will put x is equal to 0 and you will do calculations. So this will become 3 into 3 into 6 upon 6 plus 9 upon 2. Because we had substituted h is equal to 0. So these two will cancel out. So you can see that your answer will be 27 upon 2. So this is a standard question of 6 marks. So the important point is when you are considering all the iterations, you can make series directly. So this is h ka square, 4h ka square. So I can take this h square common, 1 ka square, 2 ka square, dot 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 till n minus 1 ka square. That I had written. Another series will be h outside. So h outside, here I can write 1 plus 2 dot 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 till n minus 1. After that, we had written formula for this. Formula number 2 I had applied over here. Here I am applying formula number 1. After this, I am substituting the values in the main formula. So it was this limit, this integral will be limit of h tending to 0, h outside. In the bracket for this, I am putting the value over here. Now this question is diverted to limit now. Now here when you take this h inside, it will become h ka cube. So this can be written as nh minus h, 2nh minus h. So in every bracket we are taking one h. Here also already nh, so this h will be merged over here. This is how we can write. Now utilize this information, nh is equal to 3. So that we had utilized. After that, put h is equal to 0, and you will get the final answer. So here is another question of 6 marks. It is 2 to 5, 3x square minus 2x dx integrate as a limit of sums. So your first step is that normal step, you will just write the formula. So here again, you will calculate your nh. So that will be 5 minus 2. So you can see that your nh is coming out to be, we had written. Now this is the function. So function we had written. Now one by one we are calculating the iterations. So iteration number 1 will be f of 2. So f of 2 means just here we are putting 2. So when you put 2 calculation, we are getting this as 8. After this, second iteration is f of a plus h, that is f of 2 plus h. So here we are substituting. Now this is 3 into 2 plus h ka square minus 2 into 2 plus h. So here we had substituted. After that, we had done calculation. So this is what you are getting as the second iteration. Now similarly, f of a plus 2h. So that is 2 plus 2h. We had done calculations. This is what we are getting. Now this is the general iterations. So either you can calculate this general iteration, or if you want, you can write it directly also. How to write it directly? See, it is 3h ka square, so 3h square common, 1 ka square, 2 ka square, 3 ka square, dot 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 till n minus 1 ka square. So 3h ka square common, n minus 1 ka square. Second iteration is this 10h, 20h and so on. So 10h outside, 1 plus 2 plus dot 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 till n minus 1. 10h into n minus 1. Next is 8, 8, 8. Everywhere it is 8. So here also I had written plus 8. Now after this, we are considering this. We are considering the addition of these iterations. So when you consider the addition of iteration, directly we will write the series. How to write the series? From here we are writing the series. So first one will be this 3h ka square, 1 ka square, 2 ka square, dot 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 till n minus 1 ka square. That is what I had written over here. After that, 10h outside, 1, 2, dot 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 till n minus 1. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 till n times. So it will become simply 8n. This will become 8 times of n. So after this, I had just substituted those formulas. Formula number 2, formula number 1, and this can be written as 8n. So this is what I will get. Now I am putting the value of this expression over here. So when I put, this is what you will get. Integral will be limit of h tending to 0, h, this particular h, and inside I had written this complete term. After writing this complete term, just a matter of solving this limit. So I'm taking this h inside. Here I'm getting 1, 2, 3 brackets, h ki power 3. So in every bracket you will put one h. So it is nh, nh minus h, 2nh minus h. Upon 6, here we have 2 brackets and we will get h square. So that is how we are writing it. And this will become 8nh. After that, put the value of nh as 3 and h ki jagah 0 put karo and do calculation. After calculation, you will get your answer as 96. Now, in limit as a sum, always you can cross check your answer by integrating this term directly. So you know how to do direct integration. Just integrate this expression and put the limits and you can cross check your answer. So here in limit as a sum, we can even cross check the answer.